this month, we got a sneak peek, but now it's finally here. It landed with even more features than they initially teased, all for a very competitive $110. The Flex system and the Phantom Blade system. And the Titan is the first tool to marry them both into a single cohesive unit, truly. The Flex system is the quick change artist. It uses this hook-like attachment mechanism that lets you pop tools in and out without needing a degree in mechanical engineering. We're talking dozens of implements, all sorts of screwdrivers, hex wrenches, blades, saws, and even those little hinged scissors and pliers. It's designed for speed and adaptability on the fly. Then you have the Phantom Blade system, which is a little more hardcore. It's all about cutting tools, and it uses a pinhole attachment that requires you to actually open the handle to swap blades. It's a slightly more involved process, but it's precise and rock solid. The design is this multi-hinge marvel. You've got your pliers, obviously, with both regular and needle-nose jaws and built-in wire cutters. But then, hinged into the other side, you get a pair of full-size scissors with a long folding handle that gives you real leverage. Those scissors have a thicker handle with a straight blade. Flip over to the second handle, and you've got a whole army of single-piece fold-out tools ready to go. In the box, they already include 2 alternative flex implements to get you started, a 1/4-inch bit driver and a T-shank adapter. That T-shank adapter is a game changer because it lets you clamp in any standard jigsaw blade so you can suddenly cut through metal, wood, or drywall with the same tool. The modularity is deep, but you have to pay attention to the geometry. Different flex tools take up different amounts of real estate. You've got your short tools and your long tools, and they can be wide or narrow. You don't have to crack the whole thing open like a book to get to your saw or your file. And safety is covered. Each tool locks into place with a satisfying click, released by a little knob switch on the handle. It's fast, it's secure, and it feels good in the hand. In our digital swipe and tap world, we've been trained to think we don't need a pen. But when the screen is off, when the battery is dead, or when you actually need to sign something on a piece of paper that demands real ink, a stylus won't cut it. Having a low-profile pen cartridge always at the ready in your pocket is one of those things you don't appreciate until you desperately need it. It's analog backup at its finest. Closed, it's 4 inches by 1.8 by 1 inch, and it weighs in at a solid 11 ounces. It feels substantial, but not like a boat anchor. For $110, you get the tool, a nylon pouch, the bolt driver for maintenance, and those 2 extra flex bits. Roxon has essentially created a multi-tool that doesn't ask you to compromise on its factory setup, but gives you the keys to completely rebuild it whenever you want.